Hi, Dan from Cloudsmith here, and in this video we're going to take a look at getting started with Python packages on Cloudsmith. So we'll just begin by signing into our Cloudsmith account and creating a new repository. We choose our demo organization. We give our repository a name, just Python demo in this case. We can select a storage region for our repository. We'll stick with the default. We choose the repository type private and we click create. That's it. We now have our new repository. If we click the upload button, you can see all the package formats that we support and you can upload them all into one repository. But for this demo, we'll choose Python. We could upload a package right here with the web interface, but let's check the setup documentation and see how we can do it with the Python native tooling. We provide fully contextual instructions for the native tooling, the Cloudsmith command line, and the Cloudsmith API. So let's check the instructions for the native tooling. In order to authenticate for native publishing, we need to add or create a PyPyRC file. So you would just copy this information and add it to your PyPyRC file. Let's have a look at that. Here's a PyPyRC file that I've already created. It contains the information from the install instructions together with my Cloudsmith API key. If we go back to the install instructions, we can see that the upload command is twine upload, the name of our repository and the name of our package. So let's try that. The package is uploaded successfully. Let's go and look at the repository. There's our package. The package is now synchronizing, and this is where we extract the metadata and process the files within the package and make it available for download. You can see the metadata associated with the package, a README if the package has one, the files within the package, any versions, logs, or statistics associated with the package. And we also provide detailed contextual install instructions. So in this case, we can see how we would install it using pip install, and that's if you've already specified the extra index URL in your requirements.txt file. But for the purposes of this example, let's just install it by specifying the repository directly along with the pip install command. So we can just copy this install command and paste it in our terminal. And that's it. The package has now been successfully installed using pip from our Cloudsmith repository. I hope that this short video gave you an idea how easy and simple it is to get set up with your own private, secure repository on Cloudsmith. If you'd like to give it a go, just head on over to cloudsmith.com and sign up from there. And remember, be awesome and automate everything.